In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones in a Zoom meeting. If you want clearer audio during calls, using headphones with Zoom is a great idea. It can help you hear other people more clearly, reduce echo, and make your microphone input more reliable, especially if your headset includes a built-in mic. I'll walk you through the setup process step by step so Zoom uses the correct audio device. Before opening Zoom, the first thing you want to do is connect your headphones to your device. If you're using wired headphones, go ahead and plug them in securely. If you're using a Bluetooth headset, make sure it's already paired and connected through your computer or device settings first. This part is important because Zoom usually needs the headset to be connected before you select it inside the app. Once your headphones are connected, open Zoom. After Zoom launches, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and the Zoom settings window will appear. This is where you can manage your audio and choose exactly which devices Zoom should use. In the settings window, look at the panel on the left side and click Audio. This section controls both what you hear through Zoom and what Zoom uses for your voice input. At the top of the audio section, you'll see the speaker area. Click the drop-down menu there and choose your connected headphones or headset from the list. This tells Zoom to send meeting audio through your headphones instead of your default speakers. If you have multiple audio devices connected, take a moment to select the one that matches your headset name. Next, move down to the microphone section. Click that drop-down as well, then choose your headset's microphone. This ensures that when you speak during a meeting, Zoom captures your voice from the headset mic instead of using your computer's built-in microphone. That can make a big difference in sound quality and reduce background noise. Once both the speaker and microphone are set to your headset, you're all done. Your headphones are now connected for Zoom meetings. As a quick tip, if your headset doesn't appear in the drop-down, double check that it's still connected to your device, then return to the audio settings and look again. In many cases, reconnecting the headset before entering a meeting helps Zoom recognize it properly. That's how to connect headphones in Zoom and make sure your audio is set up correctly for your next meeting.